Nice, I just ripped them in half. Well, it's easier.
Be it like the rooftop.
One?
Like rooftop.
Hey, there's a sun-kissed right there.
This.
I know.
And you don't throw up
Let me see.
on the ground.
I don't want
Let me
puke.
see.
Oh, wait. No, right there.
I want my phone on this shit, dude.
My phone's better.
Put it on Facebook.
Alright.
Okay, you better not throw up.
Uno, dos, tres.
Just thinking of
Really doesn't taste that bad.
No?
I wonder if it had diseases on its legs.
Shush, dude. Was it
Or
fuzzy?
if it like took a bath in some crap.
Chugging the sun-kissed down.
I wonder if it took a bath in crap.
Wings are hard.
You know, I wonder if it like still had poop in it or something.
It's gone. Except for a wing.
Eat it.
Let me see the wing.
Fuck you. I ate the other wing.
I wonder if that's like its poo that goes out of its wound. and
Well, I'm
oozes.
glad that I didn't eat it. Hooah!